Guys, here we have 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿 showing me his fancy motor mount.
Mi tetas!
Yeah.
Nah, loco.
Look at that, motor mounts, bro.
61 grade aluminum, heavy duty shit. I'm probably gonna hate myself after I install these, but it's race car things, you know?
Bro. This is a motor mount, bro. Yo.
You gotta make the clickety
Wait. That's how a motor mount should look. Wait, let me see if you can
nice
see
and
it.
rubbery.
You see the rubber, you know? You know? Nah.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Esto no es Robin.
Crazy, bruh. So, aquí tenemos los Goonies. Aquí tenemos, está Mr. 𝐸𝐷𝐿. We got Luigi. He's mad stressed out, look at.
Oh yeah, man.
He's not getting the amps that he wants from his alternator. What's going on, guys? So today is Sunday, which means is time to work on Becky. So I'm giving myself at least one day of the week to catch up on Becky because I have too much work going on. I have other customers that I have to take care of, but you know, I have to give time to Becky. So yesterday Sammy came through, and I don't know, we're Saturday, he came through and advanced a little bit on Becky. So this is how it's looking so far. Let me flip the camera. So this is what he's done so far. He applied the primer. It's a yellow primer. Almost done. He still has to sand this down and get the details out, but it's already taking shape. It looks very, very good. So he still has to come back, sand a couple of things down, and that's it. He also undercoated the whole car. Got everything here undercoated, all the way down there. All of the bottom of the car, everything's undercoated. So today I am going to do some painting. I got my block out. This is what I've done so far. I was cleaning the block, making sure that the surface is nice and smooth, clean, ready for paint. But yeah, it looks good. It looks very good. So today I'm painting the block and other little things. Did a test with the compressor bracket. It looks decent. It's pretty good. Now damn, I would have loved to powder coat this stuff, but whatever. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. I got the wire brush here. I have to clean all this stuff with the wire brush. You know what I'm saying? Making the surface smooth for the paint. Look at the throttle bar. They actually started wire brushing this. It's looking nice already. But yeah. Alright, so here's the tranny. Just finished priming the complete tranny. So I'm gonna let that dry. Give it 30 minutes so that I could start painting. Now the block, it's ready for the clear. So everything is matte black. Actually, there's a name for this. Hold up. This is actually, the name of this is 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿𝐵𝐞. So it's ready. So now I'm going to apply the clear, satin clear, which is the one I've been using this whole time, which is this. Wait, where is it? Wait, I had another can. Oh, it's right here. So satin clear. There's almost nothing in here. All right. Ooh, look at that. Look at that block. Looking shiny. Looking nice. And then Becky in the background, looking nice too. She's coming along. She's coming along. Check them out. Check them out. Check them out. Look at this. Oof. How shiny that looks. That wet. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit in the sun for a bit. Let it bake. And I think this is it for this. Now I have to paint the tranny now. All right, so the tranny is ready. About to spray first light coat of black. All right, that's it. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes, let that sit, and I'll come back for the second coat. Alright, so here is the outcome of the engine block and tranny paint. I could say that this is very clean. Look at that. Look how it's set. Look at that block though. Look at that. Oh, look at that bolt. That looks sexy. So this is all VHT paint, obviously, as you could tell in the videos. It's 3-part, so it's primer, base coat, and clear. Look at the details. Oh man. Now to say this, in order for this to come out so clean like this, the prep work gotta be 100%. Let me show you guys. I'll show you guys my mistakes. Look at this. You see here? Here, I didn't clean too good. But this is like towards the bottom of the tranny, so you won't see it. This is the top right here. But well, the top is all the way up here actually. This is the top. So on the bottom, I didn't care that much because it's the bottom of the tranny, so you're not gonna see this. But this is what happens when you don't prep it right. You see, this was just dirt stuck onto the tranny. You see? Compared to like up front, I really went ham cleaning this up. Look at this. That looks very, very clean. Well, it's just dust, but look how that paint sits. Look at that. Nice. Oh, that was me. I put my fingerprints right here. I have to fix that. But overall, this looks amazing. The surface got to be super clean. If not, you're gonna get stuff like this, you know. But like I said, this stuff I didn't care much because it's in the bottom of the transmission case. So this is the whole bottom, and it still looks decent. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Same thing with the block. The block was bad. The behind the block. Let me show you guys. See there? Start to see what's going on. But back here, I didn't prep it too well. So here you see a lot of like imperfections. Like there was dirt in there. You see? The paint wouldn't grab on top of dirt. So this was a very horrible job in the back. But it doesn't matter because you don't see it. You don't see none of that. You can only see this. So yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome. This is very, very clean. Look at that. Wow. So the next step would be replacing all these bolts with stainless steel, chrome, whatever I could find. But this would be chrome. I will replace all these bolts with chrome. A chrome color / brushed. You know, all this other sensors, I'm gonna clean it up like this. Yeah, it's clean and simple. Nothing crazy, not too much colors. You know, just clean and simple. I actually got this idea from my my R6. My R6 is the same, you know, it's the same color, same satin color. And then the R6 has bolts that is aluminum. I mean, what you call it? Chrome color. The bay is going to be clean, engine nice and simple, clean. That's the look I'm going for. Not much about performance. I don't care. Right now, just get her on the road. Because if I wanted to do performance, I will have to do something totally different. Everybody's asking me, oh, why you didn't upgrade the motor? I'm still using my J30. Like I said, I just want to bring her out. I'm not going to build this motor. Right now, I'm just making it look cosmetically good. Like, right now, I'm focusing on the cosmetics of stuff. I don't care much about performance at this moment, but it doesn't mean that I'm not going to do performance. Eventually, down the road, once I got Becky on the road, you know, show her off, go to shows and whatever. So while she's out on the road, I will be building another motor. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what other motor let's see what motor I can swap this with. But I always want to have my nice, reliable motor. In case if my other motor messes up, I got this one. This is the original Becky's heart. So yeah. And that's Jay's. Jay has to come and do the same thing I did to his block. His trad is over there. How big is trad? God damn. That's an automatic transmission for the Acura TL Type S. The 03 one. This is a V6 6-speed tranny. Very small compared to that one. So yeah. Alright guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. And yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you like it.